No, I'm not fake law. And hi, I'm Toxin. Warning. I'm not roasting or harassing a person who thought I'm fake. No hate at all. I just wanted to share the situation that may also happen to you. Don't hate anyone from this video. I want everyone to be nice to each other. So, I just faced to a situation when people assumed I was fake. Their only arguments were you're fake, Toxin left, and that's color chat. First, I didn't leave. I don't have video ideas since I got new phone. Sendbox just doesn't work on my Android 12, and if it does, Wolf Online doesn't open here. That's why I stopped hacking until I find any other way to do it. And that's also why I'm stuck inactive. I'm sorry for that. Second, is my previous video a joke? I've shown my text colors in there. Am I fake because I write just the same, which is almost impossible to copy? Actually, I was very angry at this point because I've never faced situation like this before. Just want to say, if you also face this situation, don't take it too seriously. You know you're right. Shit happens, you know. Have fun watching what I recorded.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity.
Thanks for watching. I hope you won't go in situation like that. Bye and see you next video.